guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Michelle. Today we're going to be doing a review, some swatches, and we're going to be doing a tutorial using Manny MUA Lunar Beauty's palette called Life's a Drag. Now this palette is just amazing. I think it is so beautiful. We're going to do some swatches. Yeah, I'm so happy. Now I love Manny and I watch all of his videos, so when I found out that he had his own line, I just knew that I had to get my hands on this palette. It's stunning, and we're gonna do some swatches. So first we're gonna take Cake Face, which is this white shade, and we're just gonna put that right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now the shades feel very soft. They remind me almost of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe shades. Very creamy. The second shade is Sickening, which is this beautiful transition shade. I'm in love, I'm in love. The third shade we have is Hunty. Hunty, which is this nice cool tone. So pretty. Now the next shade we have is Beat. So Beat is a shimmer shade, and here we have Beat. This is also so good as a highlighter. Once you watch the tutorial, you will see that I did use it as a highlighter, so yes. The next shade we have is one of my favorites in the palette, and the shade is Campy. It's this beautiful yellow shade. Now, sorry, I'm just messing up my whole arm over here, but I hope you guys can see these shades. Next, we have Pageant Queen. Oh, excuse me, so pigmented. Now, next, we have the shade Kiki. Kiki, I like. Now, Kiki is honestly gonna be a washed out color. If you've seen Manny's launch video and reveal video, then you know that this is a washed out shade, but it is beautiful, I might say. So now that my arm is almost full, we're gonna go to this arm over her, because yeah. So I'm gonna just next start with Shady, which is this beautiful black. Now rarely do you ever find black in a palette, and that I appreciate, because we all love to darken up our looks, and sometimes black can take it the extra mile. The next shade we have here is Trade. Boom. Now that's a nice like rosewood color. It's burgundy almost. It does look darker in the palette. It comes off looking deeper, but it's stunning. The next shade we have is called Mug. I'm not flipping you the finger. There we go. That is a beautiful color as well. Like these three colors right here, it's a look. Next we're gonna go into Legendary, which is this beautiful gold. And that's the second shimmer in the palette. Bam! It's like a bronzy copper gold. Really pretty. Next we have Kai Kai, but give me a second. I'm gonna have to wipe my little fingers off. Kai Kai is this beautiful pink shade, which I also love. Bam! Make a statement with that rudder. Then we have Snatch. Snatch is actually one of my personal favorites. Boom. It's like a brick red almost, but it has like some pink undertones in there, and it's pretty. And the last shade in the palette is also one of my favorite shades, and it's called Fishy. Now, watch this. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now, this palette does retail for $45. It can be found on the Lunar Beauty website, and I now saw on Instagram that it is available on Beauty Bay. So, I don't think you can go wrong for $45. This is a heavy palette. and it's way bigger than I anticipated. It does come with this brush in here, dual-ended, and one side is a blending side, and then we have, you can either use this for concealer or I used it as a packing brush. This is so beautiful. The aesthetic is so pleasing to look at. Like, just look at that. Like, who thinks of that? Now, Manny did say that he got his inspiration for this palette as he came into the makeup community doing drag looks, and that's why he named the palette Life's a Drag. Who doesn't have a drag inside them? But this palette I love. I think that it has some great neutral tones, and it also has some great pops of color, so it's very universal to me. It looks very good. It comes with a mirror that has "Be a Queen" on it, and that's just, who doesn't want to be a queen? That's so perfect. It's just beautiful. Now, I did come back to do an intro. I forgot to do my intro, so this is literally after I made my video already, but my review on this palette is just, it's stunning. It is beautiful. The shades are very blendable, very wearable, and for those of you that are scared of colors, get into them. Don't be scared to try them out. They're very pretty. They blend well together. The only thing that I'm gonna say is I saw on the back of the packaging that the shades Pageant Queen, Kai Kai, Snatched, and Trade are not to be used too close to your eye. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna say that so that you guys know this. But I did actually in this look take Fishy into my waterline, and I hope you guys like the look. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Join my channel. We have lots of fun videos, so you know, join my little crew, and we are just a happy family. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, as it was a look. And yeah, congratulations to Manny on his launch of Lunar Beauty. Life's a Drag is a palette that I had to have, and Manny, I wish you the best, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. no point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything.